99% of people are killing their first impressions because they sound exactly like a boring textbook.
Wait, really? But I always say nice to meet you, isn't that perfect?
It's okay, but it's basic. Today, you're learning how to sound like a native and connect with people instantly.
I definitely need this. I always get so nervous and stuck after the first hello.
First rule, stop saying nice to meet you every single time you meet someone new.
But that's what every English book teaches us.
I know. But try, it's great to finally meet you if you've heard of them before.
Ooh, that sounds much warmer. What if I've never heard of them?
Then go with, I've heard so much about you, it makes them feel important immediately.
That's genius. It builds an instant connection.
Exactly. Or in a professional setting, use, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Okay, so great to finally meet you, or it's a pleasure. Got it.
Now, lesson 2, stop asking, how are you, right after the introduction.
No way. That's the classic opener. Why is that wrong?
It's too broad and usually leads to a dead-end answer like, I'm fine.
That's true. It's so awkward when they just say fine and stop talking.
Instead, ask, what brings you here today?
Oh, I love that. It forces them to actually tell a story.
Precisely. Or try, how's your day going so far, to keep it casual.
That feels much more friendly and less like an interview.
Lesson 3 is the most valuable tip, use the free information technique.
Free information? Does that mean I'm giving them a gift?
Kind of. It means listening for extra details they give you and asking about them.
Can you give me an example?
If they say, I just moved here from New York, don't just say, cool.
What should I say instead then?
Ask, oh, what's the biggest difference you've noticed between here and New York?
So I'm just picking a specific word they said and digging deeper?
Exactly. It makes you a great listener and the conversation never dies.
Let's try all of this in a real-life scenario. I'm ready.
Hey there. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Alex.
Hi Alex. I'm Sarah. It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is mine. So, what brings you to Chloe's party tonight?
Chloe and I went to college together. We haven't seen each other in ages.
That's awesome. Where did you guys go to school?
We were at NYU. I actually just moved back to the city last week.
NYU is great. How are you settling back into city life so far?
It's been a bit of a whirlwind, but I really missed the energy here.
I bet. What's the first thing you did when you got back?
I went straight to my favorite pizza spot in Brooklyn.
No way. Is it that famous one on the corner with the red sign?
Yes. You know it? Their pepperoni slices are legendary.
I love that place. See? This conversation is so much more natural now.
I feel way more confident. It was so easy to keep talking.
Now it's your turn. If someone says, I love traveling, what follow-up question would you ask?
Pause the video and type your answer in the comments right now. We'll check them.
Quick recap. 1. Use, it's a pleasure or great to finally meet you instead of the basics.
2. Ask what brings you here, to break the ice properly.
And 3. Use the free information technique to keep the conversation alive.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.
Hit that bell icon and let's get fluent together. See you tomorrow.